Welcome to Jewel Changi Airport. As we start off the Jewel Rain Vortex, here's wishing you a day of sparkles ahead.